Welcome back to Photo Finish Garage. Today we're going to be changing this lower transmission mount, also called an isolator. The reason being is when you rock this engine, you can see that it's completely torn and busted, so we're going to fix that today. One thing that you're going to need is a size 24 millimeter, and it's only 2 of these bolts. So once you go ahead and zip them out, pull them out. Alrighty, and it'll fall down like that. Then we'll actually need to get a pry bar, stick it up in this area, and we're going to be rocking the engine to give us enough space to pull our mount out. This is the setup that you're going to need. I'm unable to do it with 2 hands, but you get the idea. Here's what the old mount looks like, and here is the new mount. Take a note that this says this is the top, and you can see kind of what it looks like here. And this is actually the Mopar part. Let's see if I can find the part number for you guys. If not, I'll put it in the description for sure. Oh, there's our part number. 68157408 Alpha. Then you'll go to reinstall this. You'll have to pry the engine forwards to get this to slip in its cavity. This is what it looks like when you get it started, but you'll still have to pry some more to get these ears to sit back. Alright, so put that one, get that started there. And then come up under here and get it started. This one you probably have to rock the engine to get that hole to line up. Alright, got everything lined up. Alright, and that is all. Took me about 5 minutes to do this. Of course, I'm on a lift, but if you're on the ground, shouldn't take you no more than 30 minutes. Thanks for watching.